Hi everyone, welcome to this next point solutions demonstration video. And today we're looking at the Cosmo and Friends game. Basically this is a game that will teach the children how to associate words and numbers with actions they can actually see on the screen. This will be good for children who learn better via visuals. As I say, the typing in the instructions as well as numbers, and then actually seeing how that translates to on-screen actions. If we just get straight into this demonstration, we'll have a look here. We can see we've got three characters. We've got Izzy, Cosmo and Fizz, and we've also got a present. Now what we want to do is get Cosmo from his current location up to the present. If we have a look down the screen, we've got a input field down here and a description above there, which currently says you are in a field. So what we want to do is get Cosmo to the present. So we'll count the distance first. If we have a look, that's 1, 2, 3 squares away. So the first thing we want to do is tell Cosmo what we want him to actually do. So we want him to walk. Okay, now we want to tell him which direction we want him to walk in. So we want him to walk down, and then we basically tell him how many steps he needs to walk down. In this case it's 3 steps, and if we hit enter, we'll see him walk down to the present. Okay, at this point we're going to give him a different instruction. So we want him to pick up the present, so we'll type in pick up and the object name, obviously, which is a present, and hit enter. Okay, now if we have a look at the description, he now says I've taken the present, and no longer a present on the ground, which is good. Now the next objective is to get the present and pass it over to Fizz, who's over here. So again, we need to get Cosmo from his current location over to where Fizz is located. So we'll count the squares again. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so again, if we want Cosmo to walk right this time, 5 steps. And there we go. Okay, and now, at this point we want to give the present to Fizz. So new action, give. What do we want to give? So we want to give a present to, and who do we want to give that to? Give it to Fizz, and there we have it. Fizz now has the present. Okay, and that pretty much wraps up the demonstration for this game. Just to recap again, it just teaches children the difference between left and right movements, as well as up and down. It teaches them about spelling, building instructions with a simple syntax, so it's similar to programming, I guess. We could use this in other ways. We could use it for multiplication, division. We've also got reading descriptions in here as well. It's basically problem solving and memory practice for the child. As I say, it's particularly useful for children who actually learn visually rather than just sort of remembering facts and what have you. Okay, so we're going to wrap the video up for now, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.